Yeah, it's alright, or get left, isn't it? I'm at the motherfucking spot, I been in it, fucking your thing, I'm been in it. Get dropped, set it in, yeah. River where you at, I be in the spot with some motherfucking menaces. River water full of manatees. Rhyming like Kawasaki, rhyming kamikaze like we Japanese. My partner, his motherfucking shirt and pants, elite. He shot out pretty, he pants ain't leaks. I let that form, I'm happy for him. I know this shit honey and Polly, I told her hearts in the car. He want green more than his damn, that boy love Gamora. I think it's fucked up, but I understand it kinda sorta. I got too fired up in an old head closing in my Sharona. Yeah, religion is a quaalude, they had spike corona. This year we might just blow up. I know they spell fast on Shona. She work out, I put an ass in a MoMA. One of my partners, the real little snow. Like you're on her, you crying, you alone. I told them I'm a real deal stoner. She gave me neck, fix my boner. Yeah, it's good. It's good, it's fine, it's great. I heard some crazy at the 5-day fate. I know they mean good, how they find their way. Okay, alright, whatever the fuck you say. I hear that in the herb position. I'm putting dick inside her face. Okay, it's a slip, it's like her waist. I wanted to die, I'm a waste. I know how to do this over 1,000 ways. Unfortunately, the trap when the scam shit pays. Big ass choppers eating his face, checking your partners, we getting laced. Yeah, it's alright, or get left, isn't it? I'm at the motherfucking spot, I been in it, fucking your thing, I'm been in it. Get dropped, set it in, yeah. River where you at, I be in the spot with some motherfucking menaces. River water full of manatees. Rhyming like Kawasaki, rhyming kamikaze like we Japanese. My partner, his motherfucking shirt and pants elite. He shot out pretty, he pants ain't leaks. I let that form, I'm happy for him. I know this shit honey and Polly, I tell her hearts in the crumb. He want green more than his damn, that boy love Gamora. I think it's fucked up, but I understand it kinda sorta. I got too fired up in an old head closing in my Sharona. Yeah, religion is a quaalude, they have spike corona. This year we might just blow up. I know they spell fast on Shona. She work out, I put an ass in a MoMA. One of my partners, the real little snow. Like you're on her, you crying, you alone. I told them I'm a real deal stoner. She gave me neck, fix my boner. Yeah, it's good. It's good, it's fine, it's great. I heard some crazy at the 5-day fate. I know they mean good, how they find their way. Okay, alright, whatever the fuck you say. I hear that in the herb position. I'm putting dick inside her face. Okay, it's a slip, it's like her waist. I wanted to die, I'm a waste. I know how to do this over 1,000 ways. Unfortunately, the trap when the scam shit pays. Big ass choppers eating his face, checking your partners, we getting laced.